Good morning, viewers. This is Kasturi Day. Today, again, I'm continuing the Class 8 syllabus Energy Chapter Question Answer series according to ICSE syllabus. Okay. So, name 3 devices or industries in which heat energy is put to some useful work. In modern thermoelectric powerhouses, it is the heat energy of burning coal which is used to raise the steam. Okay, the steam, then the steam which is raised, that is the burning coal which is used to raise the steam, and this steam is then run the turbines of the generator, and this produces electric energy. Okay, now all modern automobiles, they need heat energy, whether it is a mopped or a heavy truck or a diesel railway engine, all use heat energy for burning petrol or diesel for doing work. Again, human body also depend on heat energy for doing work. The food which we consume burns slowly in our cells to liberate heat energy. It is this heat energy which makes us do muscular work. Give a simple example in nature to prove that light is a form of energy. When a very intense beam of light is allowed to fall on a fine dust particle, they are found to move. Okay, this shows that light is a form of energy which is capable of doing work. Now, give examples to prove that light energy conversion. First is light energy converts into chemical energy, and light energy changes into electrical energy. Okay. So first one, light energy, when light energy falls on silver salts, which is coated on photographic plates, okay, that changes into chemical energy. This light energy which falls on the photographic plates, silver salts, that light energy changes into chemical energy. And when light energy is absorbed by the photovoltaic cells, it changes into electrical energy. Now, photovoltaic cells are commonly used in electronic calculators, wristwatches, photographic cameras, etc. Now, give a sample, a simple example to prove that sound is a kind of energy. When a supersonic plane breaks, the sound barrier. Okay, when the supersonic plane, it breaks the sound barrier, the sound waves produced by it, when a sound barrier is broken by a supersonic plane, okay, the sound waves that produced by it, the sound waves which are produced by the supersonic plane, that shakes the buildings, this suggests the sound is a form of energy. Now, name a device which converts sound energy into electrical energy and magnetic energy. When we speak in front of a microphone, the sound energy changes into electrical energy. Then transducer, which changes sound energy into magnetic energy. Why is the electrical energy considered most desirable form of energy? Electrical energy is considered is the most desirable form of energy because it has many uses, which helps humans in many ways. The ways of electricity gives a very convenient way to transfer energy, and because of this, it has been adapted to a huge and growing. Okay, this electric energy is huge and growing because of this, because of its many uses, and it can be used in very convenient way also. We use electricity at home for lighting, heating, in industries for running machines and carrying out many processes. It is used in schools, hospitals, streets, roads, etc. And that is because it can be transmitted over long distances with a very small loss of energy. Long distances can be transmitted by minimum loss of energy. And electricity can be supplied even at the locations far away from the place of generation. Okay, then name 2 devices which convert electric energy into heat energy only, and heat and light energy. Then mechanical energy, magnetic energy. First case, in electric kettles and electric room heaters, the electrical energy changes into heat energy. In electric bulbs, tube lights, etc., the electric energy first changes into heat and then to light. Then electric motors, fans, etc., the electric energy changes into mechanical energy. Generators and transformers converts electrical energy into magnetic energy. Now explain what is chemical energy. To what uses is this energy put? The chemical energy is a kind of hidden energy in the atoms of elements or compounds. It is a kind of potential energy which is possessed by the atoms of elements or compounds on account of their arrangement of electrons. When these elements and compounds react, the arrangement of electrons changes with the release of energy. This energy is generally released in the form of heat energy. This energy is put to use to burn wood, coal, petroleum, etc. in electric dry cells or car batteries, in explosive devices, firecrackers, bombs, etc. The food we eat, the matches we strike, all they form this type of energy is put into use. And then briefly describe nuclear energy and its one use and one misuse. See, the nucleus within an atom, we know that an atom contains nucleus. The nucleus which is within the atom has an enormous amount of energy which holds protons and neutrons together. Inside the nucleus we have protons and neutrons which has enormous amount of energy. And when the nucleus of this heavy atom such as uranium, plutonium is smashed, it's broken, then it releases nuclear energy in the form of heat and light energy. Okay. Say in nuclear power plants, this nuclear energy is used for peaceful purposes. This heat energy is released during nuclear reactors and is used to raise the steam. The steam is used to run electric turbines to generate electric energy. That's a good use. Okay, this is a useful use. Then misuses, atom bombs, hydrogen bombs. These are the devices in which the nucleus is released. Nucleus is released suddenly. It causes enormous damage. Okay. Now, give 3 examples of interconversions of chemical energy into other forms of energy. During the process of burning, the chemical energy changes into heat and light energy. When wood is burned, the chemical energy changes into heat and light energies. In electric dry cells or car batteries, the chemical energy changes into electrical energy. In explosive devices such as firecrackers, bombs, etc., chemical energy changes into heat, light, and sound energies. Then, by giving examples, explain how sun is the ultimate source of energy of planet Earth. The sun, the solar energy, the main source of Earth is the solar energy. The sun produces an enormous amount of heat and light energy due to the fusion of hydrogen atoms. There's a fusion of hydrogen atoms which takes place in the sun, which produces the solar energy. For us on the surface of the earth, the sun is the prime source of energy. The green plants absorb carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil and then with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight convert this into starch and oxygen. Okay. This is photosynthesis, by the process of photosynthesis. Therefore, the solar energy is trapped by the plants in the form of chemical energy. The chemical energy in the food changes into heat energy and then to muscular energy in our bodies. Even in the fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum formed from the plants and animals, these chemical energy is basically the trapped solar energy. Okay. The water cycle, which is also caused due to the solar energy, a large amount of water vaporizes due to the solar energy. Sun's heat only, the water vaporizes, and then when this water forms clouds and it rains, it is this solar energy which changes into mechanical energy of water. Then flowing water is very important source of energy. The water which is stored in the dams, they have potential energy, maximum potential energy. When this stored water is made to flow through a special channel, this potential energy of this water changes into kinetic energy. And this kinetic energy of this flowing water is made to run the turbines, which is coupled to an electrical uh, mm, uh, yes, this to an electrical this kinetic energy convert to electrical energy, which is carried for wire, which amount and distributed throughout the city or country, whatever it is. Like solar energy is directly used by us in drying clothes, other materials like solar cells in watches, calculators, artificial satellites, even in the solar cookers for cooking food. Okay. Now we come to some difference between energy and power. See, energy is the capacity of a body to do work, whereas power is the amount of energy produced or consumed by the source in 1 second. The energy produced or consumed does not depend on time, but power produced or consumed depends upon the time. SI unit of energy is joule, whereas SI unit of power is watt. Okay. So I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the question answers in my next video. Please go through this. Hope you are liking the videos. Press the like button. And if you please share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also be benefited from these videos. And if you are a new viewer to my channel and not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Thank you.